Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to convert STL file format into a solid body. So let's get started. First click insert and then insert mesh. Select the STL file format one, which is this one. This I converted into an STL, and then open it. You have this. Then you have to click on mesh and then prepare and then repair. Click on the model and then select repair type should be close holes and then click OK. So if there is any holes, it will be closed. Then again, click on prepare and then generate face groups. On the face group for the type, select accurate. If it is selected first, choose accurate and then select the body. And then OK. After that, modify, convert mesh, and then prismatic. Select the body, OK. It's converted into a solid body. So the mesh is converted into, the STL is converted into a solid body. So I hope you guys like this video. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you. Bye-bye.